Why would anyone like DV? That's outrageous. So if that's the case, why did these girls stay for 5 years? That's what I want to know. But yeah, so I believe that women, certain of them, they enjoy being in the domestic violence relationships. I believe certain women, let's say they come out of a DV relationship and they get with a guy that just puts them on a pedestal, but he's boring. I guarantee you they will be thinking, sometimes I kind of wish I was back with that other guy that was beating my fucking ass. Why the fuck would you stay for 10 years? Stupid. If you was what? So hold on a minute. So you can stay in a domestic violence relationship for 10 years, but then there's people that wouldn't stay in a job paying them a shit wage for 10 years. But you would stay somewhere you're getting your ass beat. Come on, man. Someone says, someone smacked out your mom, you wouldn't be on this live saying this. I mean, if someone smacked out my mum, I would hope that my mum would be smart enough to not fucking stay in a relationship. And that's the thing. These chicks that are in these DVs and that, yeah, they keep going back to these guys over and over again. So that's what I'm saying. Yeah. So some of these chicks will say, I can't leave, I can't leave. But then they end up going back to the guy as well. So imagine, yeah, this is why, yeah, I ain't said it for months actually. You know? I would never, ever defend any of my female family members, yeah, like cousins and that, if they got beaten up by their boyfriends. Because imagine, right now, there is some guy sitting in jail because his girl cousin has phoned him up. Jerome has put his hands on me again. Jamal's like, fuck it, I've had enough of this bullshit. I already phoned him and stuck it on him. He said, yeah, he's going to allow it, and he's back doing his bullshit. Fuck it. Jamal's gone down there, and you get me, he stepped on Jerome a bit too many times and that. You know what Jerome has done? Jerome has phoned the police and got Jamal nicked. And let's say the girl, let's say fucking Shaniqua or Rochelle does break up with this Jerome guy. Yeah, maybe the reason why Jerome phoned the police is he's kind of doing it as like a get back. Like, I lost my girlfriend, so fuck it, I'm gonna get your cousin in trouble and that. The cousin is in prison. The girl is not sending the cousin no money on his books, not nicing up his canteen sheet, not visiting him once a month. Nothing. In that time, when my man's doing the 2 year, I might have went there with a iron bar or something and do him up. In that time that he's sitting down behind an iron door, they've got back together. Fuck that bullshit. For what? So I must go and mash up and brock up something for this chick to one day accept his apology. Oh, he was sorry. He said sorry. We made it up. Nah, fuck that. Nah. No way. You're on your own. If you got mashed up by your boyfriend, then you got mashed up by your boyfriend. It's as simple as that. Don't phone me.